The colon helps with the removal of waste and toxins from our bodies. It helps keep the electrolyte balance in check by processing the sodium and water that the body needs. While having regular bowel movements helps the body get rid of waste and toxins, it's still vital to thoroughly cleanse the colon on a regular basis. This will help get rid of toxins that have become lodged or bound to the colon walls. When the colon isn't fully cleansed, toxins can build up. These toxins can cause a variety of health issues like diarrhea, constipation, colds, headaches, lethargy, indigestion, joint pain, allergies, memory loss, stress, problems with your eyesight. Colon cleansing is washing and extracting the toxins that have become lodged in the colon. Here are some natural treatments you can try at home. 1. Apples. The saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," has probably been repeated countless times. By eating fresh apples, we can effectively cleanse our colons of toxins. When you wake up in the morning, consider treating yourself to a glass of freshly squeezed apple juice. Wash it down with a glass of warm water. Drink 3 to 4 glasses of fresh apple juice every day. This will increase the number of times you go to the bathroom and get rid of waste. Be cautious of this approach if you have diabetes. 2. Consume fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. Vegetables are incredibly excellent at removing toxins and waste that have been trapped in our colons. Fiber-rich fruits and vegetables help maintain your colon by routinely emptying out toxins. In your regular diet, it's crucial to include vegetables like broccoli, spinach, artichokes and peas. You can also add fiber-rich fruits like apples, raspberries, prunes, and pears. By eating these types of foods often, you are preventing toxins from building up in your gut. 3. Sea salt. This treatment is not advised for people with high blood pressure or other cardiac issues. If this is you, consult your doctor beforehand. Add water to a pot. Bring it to a boil. Add a tablespoon of sea salt to the boiling water. After a brief period, remove the pot and allow it to cool. Drink the water slowly. You may feel a little queasy after drinking salt water. Consider lying down and taking a nap. The need to use the restroom may then arise. Get enough sleep throughout the remaining hours of the day. The weekend is a preferable time to use this treatment. 4. Water. We must regularly hydrate ourselves in order for all of our body's organs to work well. 8 to 10 glasses of water per day are advised. By drinking enough water, you can help your colon's natural peristaltic activity. This keeps it running smoothly. You can also sip on coconut water, fresh lemon juice, fresh vegetable and fruit juices. Avoid colas and other sugary drinks. 5. Triphala herbal treatment. Natural laxatives include triphala. Triphala has linoleic oil, vitamin C, phospholipids, and bioflavonoids. They help move the bowels and get rid of waste and toxins from the body. Simply combine a tablespoon of triphala with a glass of water. Drink it first thing in the morning. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.